Let's talk about how you can easily master your beard style with King C Gillette. Following 4 simple steps: wash, trim, shape, and care. Step 1. Wash your beard. Massage a small amount of King C Gillette beard wash in circular movements into the beard. Rinse well and dry. Step 2. Trim your beard with King C Gillette's wireless and rechargeable beard trimmer. Attach the right comb for your desired look and length. Step 3. Shape your beard. For a precise beard line, take the transparent shave gel. Apply it to your neckline and cheeks. For a defined beard outline, you can use the King C Gillette neck razor for optimum contouring. Step 4. Tame and condition your beard with beard oil. Using the pipette, apply a few drops onto your palm, then work the oil into your beard from the base. This will moisturize skin and make your beard soft and shiny. To soften, tame and shape your beard, use the soft beard balm. Take a small amount on the palm of your hand. Rub it in both hands and apply it on the beard, following the growth direction of your hair. It can be used with or without rinsing. King C Gillette. All you need to master your style.